Open the kit and lay it out in front of you. Close the inlet and outlet valves. Perform manual back flush. Open the manual drain valve. Disconnect the command tubes. Release the upper clamp and remove both sides of the clamp. Remove the filter lid. Remove the bridge. Observe the bridge to check there is no damage. Remove the turbine. Pull up and remove the top plate. Pull up and remove the suction scanners. Pull up and remove the screens from the filter housing. Clean the filter housing inside from dirt. Wash the screens in high pressure. Observe and make sure all parts are clean and no dirt is stuck on the course screen. Replace all 5 suction scanners' nozzles. Replace the 5 screen seals and lubricate. Assemble the course screens, fine screens, and suction scanners, and place them in the filter. Observe the plate to check there is no damage. Replace top plate seals and lubricate. Make sure the upper seal's ribs facing up. Make sure the lower seal's ribs facing down. Reinstall the suction scanner's top plate. Make sure that the plate seals remain in the designated grooves. Install the hydraulic turbines. Insert the bridge to the place on the top plate. Lock the bridge clips on the turbine's edges. Rotate the turbines, make sure all the 5 turbines are rotating freely. Disconnect the command tubes, release the housing piston nut, and pull up the piston. Take out the piston bushing from the kit and lubricate. Replace the piston bushing. Replace the piston's U-cup seal and lubricate. Reinstall the piston and piston nut. Reinstall the filter lid. Reinstall the upper clamp. Reconnect the command tubes. Close the manual drain valve. Open the filter's inlet and outlet valves. Perform manual back flush. Replace the controller batteries with new ones.